Okay.
Alrighty. Okay, I got this apart. I got these kits, and I'm going to keep in my sprayer for this to go out again in the field. And granted,
something fell down there.
Yep. Granted, on that. So you got to put this together just right. Put this in there. Put that in there like that. Put this O-ring in here on this O-ring thing. Can you get that, Lisa? Mm-hmm. I'm putting this O-ring in this thing here. And
Let me get over there.
And then this, I get my thumb out of. Basically, what you're seeing there is the same thing at this base, and that's how that's put together like that. And what I'm replacing is this magnet and spring here is all corroded up, and it won't slide and get off here, even though the other one works. I guess I ought to just try honoring this, see how well it works here. We're gonna hook this up. See how that clicks now? Mm-hmm. Well, that clicks good.
Sounds like a magnet.
There, see how that's the whole idea. 2500B, is this the same? We got different color. 2500B, so we got the right one on there, even if it's, I guess they changed colors. When something don't look right, you need to check it out. And that's what the thing about geoengineering. When trees are dying and crops are dying, people need to start looking it out, and that's what we do. You know, farmers say, hey, what's wrong? Something ain't quite right. And you start checking on it. You know, kind of like, you all right?
Yeah, okay. I'm fine. It missed me.
Kind of like, you know, if the cows are bawling, well, there's something wrong. They're either out, or you didn't feed them, or they need water, or something's not quite right. Calf's on the other side of the fence. You just kind of learn these things from nature, and everybody's trying to make it a computerized situation, and people are forgetting that we have electronics in our brain, that we know when things are wrong, common sense, or gut feeling, whatever you want to call it. And Common Core sometimes takes that away, I think, out of these kids. You know, the thing of it is, kids, not everybody's smart in the books or in the school, but there's always something that you're going to be damn good at. And if you enjoy it, go for it. And granted, yes, you need to make money, you need to take care of yourself. And you're not going to make money being drunk. I can guarantee you that 90% of the businesses that go broke or have family problems has alcohol in it, where they drank too much, it's a drug. Smoke too much, a drug. And I guess some people that eat too much is a drug too, but if you work hard, you can eat quite a bit if you burn the calories off. I like to eat, so that's why I grow food. Person's got to be pretty careful with this here type of thing. The biggest thing of it is, you know, I'm dealing with another problem and I'm getting it fixed. And everybody has problems. You know, everybody kind of goes and watches television where everything goes perfectly, and I'm showing you things don't go perfectly, and you got to keep working at it. But this geoengineering is destroying the family farm, and just like dairy farmers now are losing money because there seems to be too much milk. Well, a lot of these dairy farmers around here, yeah, they produced to had to get bigger herds to justify all the EPA stuff. Needed more cattle to pay for insurance and what have you. And then they steal from us, you know. We need these insurance policies, and one of the things this damn Obama did to the Teamsters, when we was paying our pension, they demanded that we had an insurance policy that in case things would go bad on the investments, the government would help out, but they wasn't going to help out unless we paid into that insurance. So when Obama was president, he decided not to sign that paper, or he discontinued our insurance with the Teamsters in case things go bad. Well, things went bad because of 9/11. We had a great big stock market crash. And so he canceled it. And now the Teamsters insurance is going under. And what's happened to Teamsters are not insurance, they're pensions. So all these years that everybody paid in at these high rate of pensions, in a couple of years now, it's going to be gone. And here we paid that insurance policy, so we'd have at least 50% of it. See here, now it works. Click, click, click.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, I'll leave that down. Does it still make the noise?
Yes.
That's what you want it to do. So I got that fixed.
Good.
Another problem solved there. I got the battery charger on my battery. I do have a lot of problems with batteries, but I left the key switch on. Another thing, shut it off for a second.